Hey guys, Nele here. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already seen from the title of this video, we will be doing a tutorial on how to transform from black to white. Without wasting any more time, let's jump straight right into it. Since we'll be working with chemicals, please be sure to put on some gloves. Now I'm gonna grab my rectail comb and comb out my hair, making sure that my hair strands are all evened out. All the products and tools used in this video are listed down below in the description box, so please take some time to read the description box very carefully. I'm gonna grab some Vaseline and smear it around the perimeter of my head so that I can protect my edges and my ears from burning. Now to the more serious stuff. I'm going to grab my tint bowl and my Silverplex bleach powder, and I'm going to scoop out 3 tablespoons of the bleach powder into the bowl. After that, I'm going to take my 30 volume developer and I'm going to pour it into the bowl as well. I don't usually measure this part, I just wing it, but just make sure that the mixture isn't too dry or too wet either. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take the mixture and smear it all over my head, keep it on for about an hour, and then rinse it off camera. Once I'm done rinsing off the bleach, I'm going to take my ultimate favorite product in this tutorial, the Loreal Elvive Purple Shampoo. I'm going to whip that straight onto my damp hair and apply it in a forward and backward motion to avoid having any purple patches in the end. So basically what this purple shampoo does is for anti-brassiness, which means that it neutralizes yellow and orange tones, leaving your blonde hair looking bright and beautiful between coloring. So if you don't like those yellow looking tones or those orange blondes and you prefer the grays and the whites, this product is perfect for that. You guys, this stuff smells so amazing. Like, I'm literally so obsessed with it. I massage my scalp using my fingers to ensure that the product reaches my roots, and then I'm gonna let that sit for about 20 minutes. Guys, please make sure you use a towel or you wear an old t-shirt because this stuff does get a little messy. After 20 minutes, I'm gonna rinse off the purple shampoo, and then I'm gonna go in with the Organics 2-in-1 conditioner and shampoo. After that, I'm gonna go in with my Tresemme Pro Collection Platinum Strength Conditioner. This is now the following day. This is how my hair pretty much came out after bleaching it one time. I'm gonna do it again so that we can get that clean white finish. The rest of this video is pretty repetitive, so I'm just gonna speed it up. And there's a part that I had missed in the beginning where I put on the bleach, so yeah, you get to see that part. This time, instead of leaving the bleach on for an hour, I'm gonna leave it on for about 40 minutes. I then rinse off the bleach and I have this clean white finish that I've been going on about. At this point, I really don't need to use the purple shampoo again, but because I love this product so much, I'm just gonna be extra and I'm gonna use it. But if you don't feel like you need it, then you don't have to use it. I'm gonna leave it on for about 20 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it off, and then I'm immediately gonna go in with the organic shampoo and the Tresemme conditioner. And there you have it, guys. That is the finished product. That is how I transform from black to white. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or if you want me to do any other tutorials. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.